Standard AI often fails real estate agents by acting as a generic search engine. When you ask it for market advice, it pulls from the open internet, frequently generating hallucinations or outdated statistics that can compromise your professional credibility. NotebookLM functions as a controlled knowledge room. It restricts its reasoning to the specific documents you provide, ensuring the AI cannot pull unverified data or invent facts from outside your file. In this video, we are going to build a private workspace from scratch. You will learn to load it with local market data, use it to pressure test your negotiation strategies, and generate automated audio briefings for your clients. Operating inside a controlled environment is the only way to utilize AI while protecting your client trust. It ensures your advice is always anchored in your own verified research. Start by creating a new notebook and naming it for a specific territory, for example, an Etobicoke market workspace. The interface uses three main sections. The left panel is your filing cabinet. This is where you securely store your curated source documents, like OERA forms, TREB market reports, or specific listing notes. The middle panel acts as your brainstorming table. This is where you interact with your data, asking the AI to find patterns or summarize specific sections of your uploaded files. The right panel is the production studio. This area is dedicated to converting your raw research into formatted deliverables, like reports and audio summaries. This layout mimics a professional deal file. By keeping your sources, your thinking, and your outputs in separate panels, you prevent the AI from pulling in unverified information from the web. To build the knowledge base, you upload specific local market statistic PDFs and relevant YouTube news URLs into the source list. Avoid mixing unrelated files. If you dump buyer, seller, and lease materials into one notebook, the AI will eventually confuse the facts. You must keep your workspace focused on one specific job at a time. You can control the AI's focus using the source checkboxes. By deselecting irrelevant files, you ensure the AI only draws its answers from the specific market statistics you currently need to review. The system's accuracy depends on strict curation. The real work isn't in the prompting. It's in toggling the right data for the right task. Once your sources are set, use the chat to run a negotiation sandbox. You can prompt the AI to act as a skeptical buyer who is reviewing your market statistics. Ask the AI to identify 3 specific reasons to offer under the asking price, based exclusively on the trends found in your uploaded reports. You'll notice small citation numbers throughout the response. Clicking these will take you to the exact line in your market report that supports each pricing argument. This strategy is highly effective, but it is also temporary. If you close the chat window without taking action, all of these generated insights will be lost. To preserve your strategy, click the Save to Note pin icon. This instantly moves the text into a permanent card that stays within your notebook for future reference. Consistently saving your notes turns quick chat responses into permanent intellectual property you can use to prepare for future negotiations. With your research saved, shift your focus to the Studio panel on the right. This is where you transform your internal notes into professional, client-facing formats. You can use the Studio to generate an audio overview. The system analyzes your saved local market data and creates a 2-host podcast that explains the current market trends in a clear, conversational format. This audio file can be sent to clients as a pre-listing briefing, providing them with a high-value summary of your research before your first meeting. The Studio can also automatically generate FAQ sheets and executive briefing documents from your saved notes with a single click. This process takes complex market data and organizes it into concise summaries that help establish client confidence and prove your expertise. You now have a complete system, clean source materials, a focused workspace, and pressure-tested deliverables. The final rule of this system is simple. The AI organizes the data, but you must deliver the insight. You must manually review and verify every output the system produces before it ever reaches a client's inbox. Implementing these systems removes you from the manual grind of data entry and allows you to focus on high-level strategy. To explore more ways to build your operational advantage, visit therealtech.ca.